Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an immune boosting tea. First thing to do is to add the rind or peel of an organic lemon, so an unwaxed lemon. To add a squeeze of lemon juice. You then add 3 teaspoons of elderberry syrup. You then add your hot water. And 2 teaspoons of local honey, so organic honey or manuka honey. You sweeten and enjoy. This tea, guys, is packed with vitamin C and immune boosting properties from the elderberry, the honey, and also the antibacterial effect from the lemon rind. Hope you enjoy. To your health. Take care until next time, guys.